Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to yet again another edition of the S Stories right here on Sophia Anjum's official YouTube channel with the tagline of course which is Keep this spirit alive every Friday 7 PM. और अमूमन जो है हम social issues के ऊपर बात करते हैं something or of the sort that you know that is really close to my heart or something that I believe that we should really be talking about. अच्छा, इस हफ्ते की जो story है वो बड़ी एक casual कह लें उसको, एक natural से कह लें, spontaneous कह लें, you know, just came to my head also. इतना heavy topic नहीं है, but at the same time it's a thought to ponder on. Now the fact is that people love smoking and people smoke, and I'm not saying that I'm against smoking, so I'm just giving a disclaimer right about now as well, okay? What I'm trying to say is that we must respect each other's space when it comes to publicly smoking as well. Now for example, आप जाते हैं different public spaces में, वहाँ पे तो designated जगह होते हैं जहाँ पे आप smoking कर सकते हैं, उन्होंने लिखा होता है कि ये non smoking corner है, ये smoking corner है, या कई दफ़ा hotels में भी ऐसा होता है कि आपका जो रूम है वो नॉन स्मोकिंग रूम है या आपका जो रूम है वो स्मोकिंग रूम है, समथिंग ऑफ द सॉर्ट. बट समटाइम्स इन सर्टेन ऑफिस स्पेसेस ऑल्सो, या फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप एक ऐसी जगह पे हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग हैं और वहाँ पे एक्चुअली स्लोगन नहीं लिखा हुआ, या कोई प्लैकार्ड नहीं है, या कोई पोस्टर नहीं है, कोई साइन आपको नज़र नहीं आ रहा स्मोकिंग से रिलेटेड, सो दैट इज़ समथिंग टू पॉन्डर अराउंड. नाउ द रीज़न व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस इज़ बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कोलीग्स, and whenever they talk to me about people smoking in front of them, वो हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि किसी को हमारा ख्याल ही नहीं होता कि हम तो सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्ट होते हैं क्योंकि हम पैसिव स्मोकिंग करते हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली ये बात तो है that smoking is actually not good for your health and it is a really bad habit as well at the same time. But the fact is कि आप अगर स्मोकिंग करते हैं so we're not saying anything to you, but what we want you to understand is that before you go ahead and light a cigarette in front of anybody else, just say, excuse me, is it okay if I smoke? Excuse me, may I smoke if it's all right with you? I think this is just basic manners and basic etiquettes, and you know, this is something that is to be kept in mind also, because for me, I can just share from my own personal viewpoint also that while I'm actually at work, I have a sign up, and that sign says that please no smoking till at least everyone's at work, especially when I'm at work. And you know, people respect that because the fact of the matter is कि कई दफ़ा आपको affect करती है smoking in a different way. Like one of my colleagues has a serious problem, और अगर कोई उनके सामने smoking करे तो he has asthma और उनको problem होती है उससे. So I think this is just something very trivial, very small, but at the same time people need to respect each other's opinion as well. Nobody is saying that you shouldn't be smoking if that's the case, but if you really want to smoke, you need to go to designated areas. Now I have a special video. It is pertaining to the laws of smoking here in Pakistan. Let's go and take a look. Alright, so you guys just saw the video also, and you know, I hope that you guys understood what we wanted to sort of showcase here on the special edition of the S Stories right here on my YouTube channel. और सिर्फ छोटी सी बात ये है कि अगर आपने स्मोकिंग करनी है आप ज़रूर कीजिए, आपको कोई रोक नहीं रहा है. All the smoking is injurious to health also. Yes, the disclaimer while we're at it as well at the same time. But just imagine that if you are smoking in front of children, you're smoking in front of people who have asthma problems, or you're smoking in front of people who don't admire that or respect that, you should just respect their opinion. As simple as that, short and sweet. Thank you so much for watching this edition of the S Stories, and we'll catch you guys inshallah next week. Take care. Bye bye.